Achieving the freedom lifestyle you desire requires accomplishing goals to reach your potential. Accomplishing goals requires the right mindset. Since many of us have received negative programming in our brains from people in our past, developing a successful mindset requires a visualization technique based on science that will enable us to reprogram our brains. Do you feel like you aren't able to achieve your goals but don't know why? This could be your path to getting past unwanted roadblocks that you've been fighting and didn't even know it. I don't know about you, but I've found it's hard enough trying to build my dream business just with the new skills I need to acquire, let alone having to deal with a mindset and brain that pulls me back with thoughts that were ingrained in me in my childhood. How do you tackle that one? I believe to some extent we carry negative memories from the past, but what if there was a method proven by studies to replace those thoughts to accomplish the greatness we were meant to achieve? We know the importance of a healthy, success-oriented mindset. We know without it, we're going to move along in life towards our goals like a snail. And at that pace, chances are we'll lose interest or be too old to pursue them anymore. So how do we move forward our goals with energy, confidence, and optimism? What if science in relation to the brain could show us how? Come to find out, we have studies that do just this. There's a particular part of our brain called the reticular activating system, RAS for short. Its network of neurons acts as a filter system. You see, our brains would be totally overloaded without this filtering system because it chooses what information will be allowed into the brain and what will be blocked from entering. How does our brain choose what information to let in and what to be blocked out? Here's how. If you feel unworthy of being, say, financially independent, your RAS will bring every bit of proof it can find throughout the day to encourage that negative belief. You may see a Lexus go by, and even though you think it would be nice to own a luxury car someday, since you feel unworthy of being financially independent, your RAS in your brain will allow this negative thinking about the car to appear. You'll never be able to afford a car like that. This may seem complicated, but there really is a simple and straightforward strategy to change the negative feelings we have about ourselves, even from childhood. This strategy is called visualization, and I know what you might be thinking, but it's not sitting with your legs crossed, hands up, and humming. Visualization is giving your brain the healthy goal visions you want it to recognize, rather than the negative messages it has received throughout the years. Great athletes, famous actors, and successful entrepreneurs use visualization techniques because they work. Forbes magazine has cited Sarah Blakely, who founded Spanx, as the youngest self-made billionaire in the world. In Gene Chatsky's book, The Difference, Sarah says, "I believe you can take mental snapshots of your future and what success looks like to you. If you mentally see yourself in a scenario, you'll start to make decisions in your life that get you there." She would also be the first to say that she gave her dream all the effort necessary. Visualization alone will not make dreams come true, so we do have a blueprint for a successful visualization strategy, though, that works. It appears we do, and as Mel Robbins states, according to science, there is a particular way to proceed. First, take your goals for this year. You'll be working through a visualization exercise for each goal, and let's say the first one is to improve your finances. So first, close your eyes, develop a clear picture of what your life will look like when your financial situation has improved. You have money left over at the end of the month, your bank account is always positive, you're able to purchase the car you want, the dream home you've desired, and plan that vacation you've been dreaming about. And now, number 2, bring to your conscious level positive and affirming emotions that you will feel as your financial goals are being realized. I feel free from my finances. The negative feelings of finances have been lifted from me. I'm distressed about all financial obligations and love having the means to be debt-free and independently wealthy. I'm proud of my accomplishment. I'm so grateful that I am making this change. My successful marketing has just brought in another client and commission. By closing your eyes and developing a clear picture of what your life will look like and attaching positive emotions to that picture, you have trained your brain's network of neurons or filter to rewire itself. And since your brain doesn't know the difference between what happened to you in real life or the things you imagine are happening to you, it encodes the visualization as a new memory. Research tells us that retraining the RAS through visualization gives us greater assurance and confidence. Closing your eyes to visualize a clear picture of your goal accomplishment and attaching the emotion you feel with it for 30 seconds each day actually develops the skill needed to attain the goal. As you are reprogramming your brain, it will help you by finding evidence in your daily life that you are achieving this goal. And because your filter is changing, you will look for opportunities to become financially independent. Visualizing your life as you want it and attaching the emotions you feel with this accomplishment for 30 days can make a huge impact on how your brain makes you aware of the right opportunities to engage in throughout your day. Your comfort zone is automatically being stretched because you have the confidence to engage in positive skill-building actions that you would not have done before visualizing your clear picture. You are reprogramming your RAS so that your brain can get rid of all the garbage and find opportunities to show you that you are competent and self-assured. You've got this. In conclusion, visualization is an important part of the growing into your truer self process. If you've been setting goals, learning new skills, putting forth extreme effort, but still feel there's something you are missing, it may be visualization. This one strategy could take you over the pinnacle just like it does for Olympic athletes, celebrities, and self-made billionaire entrepreneurs. If you liked today's video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. You can leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and how you feel about this and if you've tried the strategy, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this coming out every week. Also in the description below, you can check out my #1 recommendation for building an online affiliate marketing business today. I appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Wishing you a journey filled with joy, insight, growth, happiness, and success. See you in the next video.